My name is Esther. I live here in Seguin, Texas. I am actually from California, and I moved here 3 years ago. I moved here to retire. I was 76 years old, and the medical insurance that I had in California, they didn't have it here, and they didn't offer it here in Texas. I had been stopped at a green light. An 18-wheeler passed a red light and hit me on the driver's side where I was driving. I was the only person in the car. I was surprised that I was alive. I did think I wouldn't make it. Dazed, totally not myself. I just wanted to go home, and they said, finally they got me. I went to emergency. They told me to go home and wait, and things would get better. And if they didn't get better, then go back. However, I didn't. I got worse. And the kids took me back again to emergency. And they took more x-rays. I did have a brain concussion and chest contusion and other issues that I had mentally also. And at that point, my son and them suggested that I get an attorney. And that's why because my symptoms and my injuries were not getting better. And I needed medical care. I started having mental health issues because when I turned to make my left turn, I turned my head and all I saw was the big truck crashing into the window, my driver's window. It was a recommendation from a friend to my son who told them that they were very good and that I should contact them. And they said if she needs medical care, she'll get it. And that's how I found out about Zinda Law Group. I had never heard because I was new here in Texas. When I called, had a department or something where they work with physical therapy and mental health. So they could right away tell me what doctors to go see for my mental health. They even addressed that and my physical therapy. And they had connections to where they could call those doctors or hook me up with them, have me communicate and schedule appointments with them. And Zinda Law Group, everything was being addressed. Every single little thing that happened to me, everything was taken care of. Every single little issue that I had. And they were listening to me. They weren't thinking, oh, she's just making this up, or she's just overreacting. Then when I'd finish with the doctor, they would say, are you sure you're okay? They really, really showed that they cared, really went out of their way to make sure that I was okay, physically, mentally, and financially.